Zhenni is a Chinese singer and actress. In 2025, she starred in Summit of Our Youth. The same year, also played the blossoming love. She is a former member of Team HII of the Chinese idol group SNH48, as well as its sub-units Color Girls and Style 7. In 2019, she decided to enroll in drama school and focused on studying for the National College Entrance exam. She was accepted into China's three most prestigious drama schools, Beijing Film Academy, Central Drama Academy, and Shanghai Theatre Academy. In 2020, Sun was a trainee contestant in the Tencent girl group survival show Produce Camp 2020, where she had a final ranking of 18 and leaving the show at the end of June 2020. She made a special appearance on the show's finale and performed Ice Cream on stage with Produce Camp mentor Wang Jidao. On August 15, 2020, Sun was able to rank in SNH48's top 48 for the first time since 2017 and was 30th with 1,95,908 votes during SNH48's 7th general election. She will again be included in the SNH48 under girls lineup. During her selection speech, she expressed an interest to focus on her studies and acting while still participating in SNH48. At the start of 2019, Sun made a guest appearance as the mermaid in JJ Lin's performance of at the Jiangsu Television New Year's Eve concert, which drew 540 million viewers. That year, Sun decided to enroll in drama school and focused on studying for the National College Entrance exam. Sun was accepted into China's three most prestigious drama schools, Beijing Film Academy, Central Drama Academy, and Shanghai Theatre Academy, the only SNH48 member of achieved this accomplishment. On July 28, 2018, Sun drastically dropped in rank and fell to 56th place with 14,840.56 votes during SNH48's 5th general election. Fans speculate that the decline was due to her focus on acting and lack of appearance in SNH48 theatre performances. On January 7, 2017, she participated in SNH48's third request time. In June 2017, Sun appeared in the SIBA and Aiki youth drama. On July 29, 2017. During SNH48's fourth general election, Sun came in 22nd with 28,614.6 votes and was assigned to the under girls again. On March 26, 2016, Sun was announced as one of the 6th generation members of SNH48 and was assigned to Team HII. She debuted during Team HII's third stage Idol No Yoke.